Yeah.
I feel really awkward with the manager keeping walking by. I just want you guys to know that. He's walked by like 4 times, and every time he looks at me like I've done something wrong.
We didn't make a mess.
No, you're making me lick a plate.
You haven't done it yet.
You haven't done it yet.
No,
So don't
because
complain.
I'm trying to settle my stomach. If you want me to throw up, I'll go ahead and do it right now. But I'm giving my stomach a second to
Go ahead.
not turn anymore.
Do it. Come on. That's what I thought.
You gonna lick this plate and we ain't gonna do it together.
Just pretend it's my car window. There.
I feel so disgusting now. This is gonna look so gross and wrong in so many ways.
Yeah.
What are my children gonna think?
I'll be sure to show them.
We'll get that judgment for you and candy coat it. It's so sick. Why are you licking the plate like that?
You want me to lick the plate or not? Then shut the fuck up.
You're like all like... I don't understand. You're not. I'm paying for that shit.
No, you are.
You
Totally
should
worth
pay me.
And I don't have to pay for it.
Dignity or $5.89.
You can spend that money you saved on some Pepto-Bismol.
I have Pepto-Bismol. I don't need any. I'm gonna go home and take some.
It's Village Inn.
I know, the shit we do at Village Inn. Maybe we shouldn't have come here.
We should have gone to Old Chicago.
Yeah, we couldn't do this shit in Old Chicago.
No, we couldn't have.
They'd have kicked us out already.
Yeah. What time is it? Oh, it's almost 11. That was paper.
It's freaking me out.
Jenny. Can you imagine if what's her name was here? The manager bitch.
We would have gotten kicked out a long ass fucking time ago.
We didn't make a mess. I would have protested, made a scene about it.
I would have punched her in the face.
Then I would have gone to jail. To the left, to the left. Just sing a happy tune.
Oh man, this is using up my battery.
Hurry up, finish.
Hurry up, you're at almost 23 minutes.
Really?
Yeah.
This is gonna be an awesome video on YouTube.
Will it even fit on YouTube?
Paper. It doesn't go anywhere, it just sticks.
I can edit it if I need to. This is terrible.
Just like 5 minutes later. 10 minutes later.
You're killing my phone, come on.
I didn't tell you to record. Aaron, I swear to fucking God.
Just at the plate.
If I throw up, I'm throwing up all over you and your phone. I hope you know that.
It's not going to be in my car. Because I'm paying for that. You have to
That's
show
why I
me some
said
respect.
him.
You already told me you were going to throw up all over me.
Yeah, and then you said that shit, so now I'm changing my mind.
The contemptuous look at the waitress was the greatest thing I've ever seen.
Hmm?
The contemptuous look at the waitress was about the greatest thing I've ever
Do you
seen.
guys need anything else?
I feel so retarded. There's more paper.
You are retarded. But it's okay, I believe in you.
I'm getting food paid for though.
Dignity or 5? Do you have it
Dignity
on
or
your nose? You have it on your nose. Get serious.
We in college, you get food when you can.
She ain't in college no more.
Technically. Semester's not over yet.
She was never registered this semester. It's okay. I believe in you.
I was partial.
Oh, were you really?
I just withdrew. My life, there's more paper that's stuck on my tongue right
Yeah.
Job opening.
Dude, the stuff is stuck to the plate. It won't come off anymore. Like, I'm not kidding.
It's like rubber cement.
Yeah, it really is. It's like stuck to the plate.
Ew. I could feel it like scraping off the
Okay, I say she wins.